Welcome to an Ayurvedic detox retreat at Travancore Ayurveda. Detox your way for a happier, healthier, and energetic life. Namaste everyone. This is Dr. Smita KattiGotur, Head of Practice at Travancore Ayurveda. In our previous web series on detox, we discussed what is detox, why detox required, what are the benefits of detox. Today, in our this series or a next series, we will speak about detox in Ayurveda, Panchakarma treatments for detox, and dietary guidelines in Ayurvedic detox. Today, we will talk specifically about detox in Ayurveda. The Ayurvedic detox is a well-established blend of procedures based on various Panchakarma therapies and Ayurvedic medicines to restore balance in your health. As you may be aware, Ayurveda states that there are 5 elements called Panchamahabhutas. Those are Vayu, air, Prithvi, earth, Teja, fire, Akash, space, and Jala, that is water. The above 5 elements makes various combinations, namely 3 doshas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, which are responsible for different physiological functions of the body. We are supposed to keep up the balance between 3 doshas and 5 elements, failing which diseases start appear. We should know that very common illness such as constipation, diarrhea, arthritis, asthma, skin related issues, urinary tract infections occur due to imbalance of waste products, that is mutra, purisha and sweda, urine, feces and sweat. We should also note that based on the genetics and personality traits, each person will have their own unique balance of doshas and hence the health outcome may vary as well. That is why it is important to take the guidance of an Ayurvedic practitioner or a doctor who can determine your dosha and related detox plan and treatment patterns will be advised. I am sure all of us will have the time constraints. So let me tell you how much time we need to invest in Ayurvedic detox plan. It may vary from 3 days, 5 days, 7 days and so on. Depends on each person's level of imbalance. Also depends on the detox plans which we choose based on the advice of Ayurvedic doctor. Now, let's talk about what all the procedures we do in Ayurveda for detoxification. I'm sure most of you might have heard about Panchakarma. Panchakarma is for internal purification of the body and used to get rid of the body toxins, free radicals and heavy metals through a combination of purgative and laxative therapies. Pancha means 5, karma means activity or process. This consists of 5 activities, 5 karmas, 5 treatments. Let's see one by one. Virechana, first one. This is a cleansing process using powders, paste or heated medicinal decoctions. This procedure is mainly to eliminate the pitta dosha from the body. Virechana helps to assemble all ama, that is toxins in the body, concentrates all of them in the small intestine and then eliminate them with the purgation. Next one is Vamana. It's a simple process of forced vomiting or purging by herbal medicinal treatment by upper side of the body through a way of mouth. Vamana eliminate the excessive kapha dosha out of the body by certain induced and controlled procedure. Next is Basti-Karma. Is another procedure involves body massage to start with and then an enema, that is medicated enema with the help of herbal oil or Ayurvedic decoctions. Basti procedure helps in the treatment of Vata disorders. Basti is one of the most effective Panchakarma treatment and has immense benefits. Basti is not only removes excessive Vata, also helps in overall health, smooth aging process, healthy glow, and strengthens the joints, back and bone health. Next is a Rakta Mokshana. Fourth one is a Rakta Mokshana. This is the procedure of elimination of the toxins and purification of the blood. Rakta Moksha is the process of removing a small amount of blood from the vein. Last one, that is a fifth one, is Nasya Karma. This is the process of removing accumulated humors in the nose, throat, sinus and head areas. Nose is the way to the brain and consciousness. Nasahi 𝗔𝗆𝗂𝗿𝗃𝗲𝗁. So these are the 5 treatments we discussed. Please note that the treatments may vary from person to person and you may receive one or more treatments depending on your dosha imbalance. We highly recommend consulting an Ayurvedic doctor before undergoing these Panchakarma treatments as mentioned above. Reason being, there could be some contraindications for undergoing these treatments like pregnancy, high fever, uncontrolled hypertension and so on. There are many more. So please consult Ayurvedic doctor before going for these procedures. Don't you think as a patient we should be educated on some basic things in detox plans? So we should know what procedures and what are the impacts on our body by undergoing a detox plan. It is very important that the patient gets adequate education of the procedures before they undergo detox treatments to avoid anxiety. When we discuss about Ayurvedic detoxification, we cannot ignore the role of Rasayana, which helps to boost our physical, mental and spiritual energy. In other words, we can call it as a nourishment process. Now, what is Rasayana? In simple words, the concept of using our natural medicines and natural products which helps optimize our mental and physical performance is called as Rasayana. Rasayana strengthens our Agni, that is digestive fire or power, recharge our mind and body with its natural energy boosting qualities. Let me advise few commonly known rasayanas such as amla, milk, honey, ghee, etc. Now, let us have some brief about dietary guidelines for detoxification. We have discussed about Ayurveda detox procedures, but for us, the best results we have to get the best results, we have to follow certain disciplined dietary guidelines such as timely intake of the food, quantity of the food, water intake, and very importantly, exercise. While we are undergoing detox program, we should be mindful of what type of food we should consume and what not. Let's see one by one. Preferably freshly prepared, cooked, warm, easily digestible food such as ganji or khichdi is advisable. We suggest to have organic vegetables with light spices added. Dal is always specifically moong dal which pacifies all 3 doshas, is recommended. You can add a little amount of ginger, coriander, turmeric, methi, that is fennel seeds, to it, which helps to open up the channels of the body. Drink plenty of water, specifically warm water, throughout the day in a regular intervals. Now, we should avoid what all things we'll discuss. Food which may build armor, such as processed, packaged, or frozen foods, should be avoided. Non-organic food means food and vegetables grown with the help of chemicals and pesticides, etc. Avoid heavy dairy products such as yogurt, cheese, etc. Avoid heavy desserts which may contain refined sugar. Foods that are deep fried or oily. And last but not least, avoid bakery products because it contains yeast as a base in that. As per Ayurveda, we should choose our food based on our dosha type. You can consult your nearest Ayurvedic practitioner or a doctor to get a diet guidance based on your dosha prakriti type. Now, yoga, exercise, and meditation. Detox is a comprehensive program, and we suggest yoga and meditation, which plays a very important role in Ayurvedic detox program. With this, we are concluding our Ayurveda Detox Retreat web series, and we hope you have now a great deal of information of Ayurvedic detox. We at Travancore Ayurveda have dedicated counseling for Ayurvedic detox. You may please contact in case of any queries or questions on Ayurvedic detox. Sukhino Bhavantu.